美国公布7月 Market 制造业 PMI 终值63.4，优于预期。还有美国7月的 ISM 制造业指数59.5，稍微差于预期。经济数据看到有好有坏，不过市场看好规模1兆美元的基础建设方案，有望在美国国会的参议院通过，激励到今美国股市主要指数开高走高。道琼盘中一度上涨超过200点，目前涨幅收敛到0.37%，指数35063点。纳斯达克指数涨幅0.62%，来到14764点。S&P 500指数上涨0.43%，来到4414点。费城半导体指数今天表现相对稳健，涨幅1.69%，指数来到3413点。
美股8月第一个交易日，美股3大指数延续财报季以来的气势，全面开高。
As we head into the month of August, a month that on a historical basis tends to look challenging. 6 straight months, the S&P 500 has been higher through July. When that happens, the S&P is higher over the next 12, 86% of the time.
I believe the Senate can quickly process relevant amendments and pass this bill in a matter of days.
美国参议院跨党派小组周日公布了规模1兆美元的基础建设方案，有望在本周内通过，激励市场信心。加上目前已有88% S&P 500企业财报优于预期，本周还有阿里巴巴、通用汽车等大型企业要公布财报表现。不过 Delta 变种病毒扩散，上周起新冠疫情在美国明显恶化，又带给市场新的隐忧。
More guidelines coming up, more restrictions because of COVID?
In all probability,
as the Delta variant takes hold in the South, and we're seeing basically a repeat of what happened during the peak earlier this year, just absolutely ravage hospitals, etc. Down south, we've logged more than 100,000 cases per day at the end of last week, and we've also seen that hospitals are on the rise, almost at 50% rise.
佛罗里达州成为美国疫情重灾区，单日新增确诊超过2万人，创纪录新高，当地住院人数也破纪录，超越先前的疫情高峰。市场关注疫情进展外，也密切观望本周将公布美国7月非农就业报告。就业市场复苏情况是联准会看重的指标，也牵动美国经济展望。记者王希望、黄一豪综合报道。
美国众议院议长佩洛西跟少数党的领袖麦卡锡，最近他们2个大闹口水战，针对众议院重启口罩令隔空互骂。麦卡锡还说要拿议事锤打佩洛西。同时，参议院已经敲定了基础建设案的细节，有望在这个周末休会前通过。
I want you to watch Nancy Pelosi hand me that gun. It'll be hard not to hit her with it, but I will back it down for American freedom. Thank you.
共和党众议院领袖麦卡锡要用议事锤打佩洛西的音档流出，事后虽然声称只是开玩笑，但已经点燃民主党人怒火，要求他下台。而这一切都是因为上周佩洛西的口罩令所导致。
Leader McCarthy says it's against the science.
This is just the beginning of a set, because school's going to start coming back, they're going to shut school down again. This is about control.
不止隔空大骂，大批共和党议员还故意不戴口罩，大摇大摆啪啪走。现在基建法案参议院抢着过关，时间也越来越紧迫。
I believe the Senate can quickly process relevant amendments and pass this bill in a matter of days.
We'll start amendment process hopefully on Monday. If not, but we want to be done by Thursday.We want to move on, okay?
但由于美国国会预计将从下周一开始休会5周，放民代度假去，因此即便参议院完成表决，基建案正式拍板，最快也得等到9月众议院复会之后。记者王杰林、嘉颖综合报道。
滴滴出行被中国监管单位盯上，在美国上市出师不利，1个月来的市值已经缩水1/3，就连带的这个华尔街的中概股也出现严重的抛售潮。美国证券管理委员会更传出停止受理中国企业在美国上市，同时要求企业披露中国政府监管的风险。中国证监会周日就表示，注意到美国证券交易委员会的有关声明，表态希望2国监管部门可以针对中概股的监管问题加强沟通，找到妥善解决的办法。
Reuters reporting this morning the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, has stopped processing registrations for initial public offerings or other securities from Chinese companies. And this obviously is the latest salvo in the back and forth between the U.S. and China.
传出美国证券交易委员会 SEC 盯上有意到美国上市的中国企业，往后中国企业想到美国推 IPO， 恐怕难度越来越高。不止市场吓出一身冷汗，中国证监会也坐不住了。中国证监会8月1号在网页上刊出一段发言人回答记者问题，表态希望两国监管部门加强沟通，找出妥善解决办法，还表示持开放的态度看待企业选择到哪里上市。
SEC Chairman Gary Gensler on Friday asked staff to mandate certain disclosures from Chinese-based companies before IPO registrations can be declared effective. He also said in a statement that the new disclosures will require Chinese companies tell the regulator and investors whether certain actions could affect the firm's, quote, financial performance.
滴滴出行刚在美国挂牌，就碰上中国监管单位出手，上市1个月市值缩水超过1/3。紧接着，中国又大力整顿补教业，换在美国上市的中国教育股遭殃。光是上个星期，华尔街中概股就出现1兆美元的抛售潮。不过，全球最大避险基金桥水投资创办人达里欧还是对中概股有信心。他认为，主要是中国政府在政策沟通上出问题。引发投资人和市场恐慌。
What Ray Dalio put out on this particular issue on LinkedIn in a post, he said, to understand what's going on, you need to understand that China is a state capitalist system, which means that the state runs capitalism to serve the interests of most people. I do think that this is unfortunate that the Chinese policymakers don't publicly communicate the reasoning behind the moves more clearly.
Look, as investors, we're always looking for certainty and communication, but from a perspective of policymakers, they're trying to look for the best outcome, and I guess those inconsistencies are what create volatility in the stock market.
投资人担心中国政府的监管行动一波未平一波又起，点名下一个被盯上的可能是医疗保健产业。
If you look at the price movements of the stocks in the last 2 weeks, really since the fallout has happened post Diddy, then you would say yes. Our view will be no. Our view is that this sector is still well loved by the government. This sector is still integral to the overall future development, and especially poignant in the timings where we are vis-a-vis with the pandemic.
为了避免美国投资人投资中概股重伤，美国证监会暂停中概股赴美 IPO 申请，重新检视条件，还说要申请企业减负官方放行证明等新措施。在风向没底定之前，外界认为中国企业赴美 IPO 今年恐怕没机会了。记者王新文、邓邦冠综合报道。
香港调涨印花税，8月份第一个交易日，港股恒生指数上涨了1.06%，收在26235点。腾讯出手收购恒大旗下的恒腾网络的股份，也让恒大集团的股票统统反弹上攻，成为港股反弹的主因。还有另外一个重要事件呢，就是香港规模最大的盈富基金最新宣布将会禁止美国人士购买。专家分析，港股不确定因素还在，第3季的操作应该转趋保守。
港股近日不太平静，7月收了根长黑棒后，8月正式调涨印花税，2号恒生指数上涨1.06%，报26235.8点。其中与中国地产龙头恒大集团相关的恒大系股票是齐步走高，恒大汽车涨幅逼近10%，中国恒大更大涨超过7%。值得注意的是，恒大为偿债最新出售旗下恒腾网络的股份，出手收购的竟是腾讯，以每股3.2港元收购恒腾7%的股份，合计交易金额约20.7亿港币，相当于新台币74.3亿元。消息一出，也让恒腾网络的股价在周一大涨了近48%。
腾讯这一波股价的下跌，是因为这个中国官方对这些网络的一个巨头，它有一些比较严格的一些监管的机制。恒大跟腾讯投资的这个公司上，它能够得到所谓的比较多的股权的话，我觉得也许对于整个腾讯它的一些利空消息可以有所淡化。
恒大变卖家产筹钱，除了腾讯以外，也向第三方转让了恒腾网络4%的股份，总共筹得超过32亿港元，相当于台币117亿。恒大集团股价回稳，也是恒生指数止跌反弹的主因。不过，港府自8月1号起将股票印花税率上调3成，自2月24号宣布以来，恒生指数已经累计大跌超过15%。监管利空加上最新还有另一项震撼弹，香港最大的 ETF 盈富基金宣布将明文禁止美国人士购买，引发市场一片哗然。这对持有盈富基金的美商花旗与小摩多少受到影响。
代表说，其实目前中美在所谓投资上或科技股的一个竞争上还是比较紧张一点，所以这样的状况，我觉得应该是会影响到整个市场的资金，它会有一些快进快出的现象。最近在港股跟陆股的反弹，你还是要留意到，假设反弹到相对的高档区，那可能这些所谓的不确定因素还是会导致这些股市有比较大的一个拉回。
专家分析，港股利空消息与不确定因素都还未淡化，第三季若出现反弹，投资人务必适度减码，会是比较好的操作策略。记者周田丽、欧俊杰台北采访报道。